Today's Quranic word of the day is Amr. An Amr is a command. As Muslims, we have agreed to follow the commands of Allah. But Shaitan also tries to command us, and there are some people who obey him. الشيطان يعدكم الفقر ويأمركم بالفحشاء. Shaitan threatens you with poverty and commands you to immorality. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will only command us to do what is good for us and for humanity. And His commands do not restrict us or make our lives difficult, but instead makes us better people and the world a better place. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُ بِالْعَدْلِ وَالْإِحْسَانِ وَإِيتَاءِ ذِي الْقُرْبَى. Indeed, Allah commands justice and good conduct and giving to relatives. So we should learn and follow the commands of Allah so we can live better lives and have an even better afterlife in Jannah, insha'Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you've benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new content, insha'Allah.